Welcome to Animal Kingdom.
Amazing fun fact about betta fish.
Number 1. Wild fish exhibit strong colors only when agitated. Breeders have been able to make this coloration permanent, and a wide variety of hues breed true. Colors available to the aquarist include red, orange, yellow, blue, steel blue, turquoise, green, black, pastel, white, opaque, white, not to be confused with albino, and multicolored fish. Wild collected betta splendens are colored dull brown and green with red on their fins, and their fins are much smaller and more understated. Their natural appearance isn't without its charm, but it doesn't come close to the resplendence of the bettas that hobbyists breed as pets. Number 2. The aggression of this fish has been studied by ethologists and comparative psychologists. 24. These fish have historically been the objects of gambling. Two male fish are pitted against each other to fight, and bets are placed on which one will win. One fish will arise the victor, the fight continuing until one participant is submissive. These competitions can result in the death of either one or both fish depending on the seriousness of their injuries. To avoid fights over territory, male Siamese fighting fish are best isolated from one another. Males will occasionally even respond aggressively to their own reflections in a mirror. Number 3. Male bettas are typically larger than females and display brighter colors with more ornate finnage. As a result, the vast majority of bettas kept as pets are male. The smaller, less visually striking females are widely available in pet stores, but those who purchase them usually do so because they plan to breed their own bettas. Bettas normally live 2 to 3 years, but there have been a few cases of bettas living well into their teens. The betta is known as placket in its native Thailand and has often been referred to as the jewel of the Orient. Number 4. When cleaning a betta's tank or bowl, make sure you only take out a third of the water each time and replace it with fresh water. This should be done about every 3 or 4 days for small bowls or tanks. If your water has a high level of chlorine in it, you may add a drop of dechlorinator to the tap water before adding it to the tank or bowl. And never use soap or disinfectants to clean off fish ornaments or decorations. This will harm the fish. Plain warm water will work just fine for cleaning these items. You can also use a small turkey baster to siphon debris from the bottom of the tank. Number 5. New betta owners are often puzzled to find their new pets creating a layer of tiny bubbles on the surface of the tank's water. This is called a bubble nest, and the behavior is not only normal, but an indication of a happy and healthy betta. Still, the behavior is instinctive, so a betta creates bubble nests even in home tanks without a mate present. Bettas are intelligent fish. They can learn to recognize their owners. Some people even have success training their bettas to perform simple tricks, like following their fingers around a bowl, swimming through hoops, or pushing a ball into a goal. See you in other amazing and fun facts. Click like if you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Keep good spirit.